The question that I would like to answer is, what happened to immigrants who were not healthy? The first thing that I want to do is take a look at all of my hyperlinks to see if there is one that might help me get to my answer. If I take a look over the first hyperlink, I notice it says the passage. I ask myself, will this help me to get to my answer? It does not look like this hyperlink will help me. I do not see any keywords that give me a clue. If I hover over the sixth hyperlink, I notice it says the medical exam. I know my question had the word healthy in it. I know that medical and healthy are two words that seem to fit together. I think this might be the right hyperlink to go to. When I click on this hyperlink, it'll take me to a tab that says Story. I am going to read this to see if the information given can help me answer my question. The doctors at Ellis Island developed a system to identify immigrants who needed medical attention. The first test was a 6-second physical. A uniformed doctor looked for any signs of illness or contagious disease. The doctor noted whether the immigrants limped or were short of breath, if their eyes were red, if they acted disturbed or seemed otherwise normal. If someone was considered a risk to the public health, his or her clothes were marked by a piece of chalk with an identifying letter. An X denoted insanity, a P denoted pulmonary or lung problems. Immigrants who were marked were taken out of line and kept for further examination. Immigrants who passed the 6-second exam continued through the maze of metal rails toward the far end of the hall for legal inspection. I notice that right here in this second paragraph, I see the information that I need. I see that immigrants were marked with chalk and were taken out of line for further testing. As I look further on this webpage, I notice there is a lot of other information available to me. There are sidebars to the right that could give me more information or facts that I might need. I can also click on photos to see pictures of what a medical exam might have looked like. I also notice that I can listen to audio, which also may give me an interesting perspective of what an immigrant might have gone through. When I am done exploring this website, I want to get back to the home page. So in order to do that, I need to go up here in the upper left-hand corner where it says Explore Ellis Island. I would click on that link and I see myself back at the home page. By using my keywords and text features, I was able to get to my answer quickly and efficiently.